Alright, so as everyone is quite familiar, we have been building the pond over here with the waterfall. I'll be linking a product in the description in case you want one for yourself so you can get one, but nonetheless, the issue today is decorating. I have no clue what I'm gonna do with this thing. I did get the suggestion to add a statue, so I will be doing that in today's video at some point. Shout out to the guy that gave that suggestion, and any other suggestions that you have, definitely let me know below. Also, for the water garden here, I have solar panels, a rain gauge, the pump I'll be plugging up at some point. I just don't want to get stung. Now we're going to take a little walk. See, everything's really starting to green up. I love this time of year. Burn pile's greening up. Okay, so what we have is this. And this is a monstrous pond that's about 5,000 gallons. And I have no clue what to do with it. It's sealed, it's holding water. It's been that way for a while now. Really excited, I just don't know what to do with it. Other than the rocks along the edge, I do know I want that to be a thing. I want it to go all the way around and have a path here. I just sorted an outline. I have no idea what that is. Probably at some point will be a rack where I'll hang things that I want to cycle before taking inside for planted tanks for breeding. So everything will have a purpose, that's the goal. But at the end of the day, the pond is sealed. But any other suggestions that you have, go ahead and let me know. In a way, mission accomplished. Getting it to seal was the big thing, and all I did was leaves, clay, straw, dirt, in that order, over and over again. It rains, all evaporates, and it took about 6 months, give or take. So pretty simple process. I do have a video I will try to tag, but nonetheless, leave your suggestions below for that, the pond. I have plans for this. I'll be adding a waterfall, so stay tuned for that. Let me know your ideas for this too. Like I said, I'm probably going to do plants. But until next time, stay fishy.